Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a hybrid bowl, and first of all we are going to start with the mid-size rougher with a negative rake, and it is from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by flattening the top. This blank was gifted to me by Mr. Jake Thompson, so thank you Jake. I will leave all links to Jake's channel up in the cards and in the description. So right now we're just cleaning it out so we can hold it in the chuck, and there you go. Alright, so we're going to start by doing the sides, and we've got the mid-size rougher here. All tools are linked down below if you wish to get any, including the cutters, and they are all negative rake. Here is the mid-size finisher. This is not going to be the final form, we'll get to that a little bit later on. When we got older, we try to stay in touch. Alright, we're going to use the Easy Wood chuck template, and we're going to mark out for the Mortise. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah I would, just to see all my friends. And now we're going to make the Mortise. The first tool we're going to use was the rougher, then the detailer, and here is the #1 hollower to clean it all out. And back to the rougher to flatten everything off. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. I'm going to head to the rim just to give it a bit of an undercut so that sits flat on the table or wherever you want to store it. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And there you go. Alright, so now we've got it mounted into the chuck, we can do the final shaping. So we've got the mid-size finisher here. So the wood in this piece is stabilised walnut burl and stabilised maple burl. And the resin is Alumilite Clear Slow. We used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. The rougher just to flatten everything off. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? And we're back to the finisher. And there you go. Alright, and now we're going to hollow it all out. And here is the #1 hollower. I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Absolutely love this tool. And we've got the rougher here just to flatten the sides and eventually flatten the bottom off. There you go. Give it a quick check. Check the wall thickness with our finger calipers. And now we're on to sanding. So we're going from 120 to 240 on the dry. I didn't show sanding the inside or finishing the inside because the outside is pretty much the same. In fact, it's exactly the same. And give it a quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There you go, quick preview of what it's going to look like. And now we're going to wet sand from 320 up to 1000 grit. There we go, now we've transitioned up to 1000 grit. I'm just going to wipe off that slurry. And give it a wipe with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There you go. And now some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel. Just buff it in.
It's in the system, it's in our blood. You cannot keep me from looking for love.
There you go, you can feel the grit breaking down in on the paper towel. There you go, the last few wipes. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.